How to add a PDF flipbook to your Wix website. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can add this to our site. So basically, it's going to be a PDF viewer that allows you to flip the pages, much like a flipbook, with PDFs or docs as well. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, you need to log into your Wix website, obviously, and just click on Edit Site on the top right corner to access the site editor. Now from here, you basically just want to first create some space for it. Make sure you have enough space for it on your site, a specific page for it or whatever it actually may be. And then we can just add it in there. So I'm just going to find the page where we can just go ahead and insert it. So let it just load in, and I'm just going to go to the pages section. I'm just going to select this one, PDF page. It's just, this entire site is just for videos like this, so yeah. And I'm just going to add section below that one, right over here. And I may want to make it a little bit bigger here just so we can fit the flipbook. So once you have enough space for it and you're pretty much prepared to add it, you can just simply click on Add Apps on the left panel. And then from here, you basically want to search for Flipbooks. It should be yellow with a yellow logo, and we can just find it easily. So just search for Flipbooks. And it's going to be this one right here. So Flipbooks, make online flipbooks from your PDFs and docs. So you can feel free to decide whichever one that you want to upload. And once you're happy with it, click on Add to Site, and you will need to just agree and add. And it's just going to be added here for us in a sec. Like so. Let's just resize it a little bit. So add the flip book into this element tab settings. So you can just go ahead and double tap and just going to open up the settings here for us, or you can just hit settings from the top left here. Now in here, you'll need to actually sign up. So just go ahead and click on sign up. It's going to take you to their page where you'll be able to create your account for free. Okay, so once you create your account for free, now you'll have the ability to make a flip book, upload one, or select from your library if you had any previous ones. So we can just go and click on upload here, and we can just click on start here and upload a PDF file. Now I don't really have a flip book here on me. I'm just going to use this PDF file and use it as an example, and you will have the ability to change whether it has a fold in it to make it look more authentic or something. So it's completely up to you. I'm just going to make it with no fold and click on convert. And it should be added to our Wix website. Now here's the thing. I have this PDF which is only one page. So you can actually see. But if yours does have multiple pages, then you will have this arrow on the right side and also on the left side, where you can just go ahead and go between them and flip the pages, much like a book. But yeah, feel free to magnify full screen or even resize the entire thing to your liking. It's completely up to you. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.